Everyone, so in this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix domain or DNS error in Shopify in 2025. So first of all, you need to log into your Shopify account, and after that, to resolve Shopify domain address, domain or DNS errors, first verify you have to verify domain's DNS settings, ensuring the A record points to Shopify's IP address and the CNAME record points to shops.myshopify.com. If you purchased domain through Shopify, check for a verification email and resend it to your from your domain settings if needed. So first of all, you have to verify DNS records to for that, a record ensure your domain's a record points to Shopify IP addresses the following address and the CNAME record verify that the CNAME record for www point to shops.myshopify.com, including the trailing period. And after that, check for verification email. You have if you purchased the domain through Shopify, check your inbox and junk folder for a domain verification email. You can resend the verification email from your Shopify admin under settings, domain, your domain and domain settings. And after that, you have to confirm domain settings, ensure your domain is connected to Shopify either automatically or manually. If you're using a third-party domain, follow Shopify's instruction to connect it manually, ensuring all settings match Shopify's requirements. And after that, you can check domains provider. If you purchase your domain from a third party, log into your domain host account, verify that the DNS settings are correctly configured to point to Shopify. Contact your domain host support for assistance if needed. And after that, you have to retry your connection. After re-verifying or correcting data settings, return to your Shopify admin and click retry connection in online store and domain. And propagation time DNS changes can take time to propagate across the internet, potentially up to 48 hours before they are fully recognized. Be patient and allow sufficient time for the changes to take effect. And after that, you can also reset DNS settings if necessary. You can also consider domain transfer if all the options is not applying to you. And that's it. That's how you can fix domain or DNS error in Shopify in 2025. See you on the next video.